How to see your previous watched videos on YouTube app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To see your previous watched videos on YouTube app, simply launch YouTube application. Make sure that you logged into your account. You can now, let's open a particular video in order to watch it. Suppose if this is the video that I watch and later I want to see what video that I watched on YouTube, then you simply need to first exit this. Head towards profile icon at bottom right. And here you will see the history. Tap view all. And from this section you will see all your watch histories on YouTube application, and simply you will see that this was the previous watched videos on YouTube app. So this is quite easy and simple. You can easily watch previous watched videos on YouTube application according to the date as well. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.